really fun to feel like you're on the front edge of something that's good. I heard that something was happening in Airport Heights, that there was some initiative going around. And that just kind of sparked it all. Over the years, we've just been trying to think about who we are and what our impact is and how much we can do more locally. In the end, it's cost as well. It's a return on investment, and it's being part of something new.
I started Anchorage Solar 2.5 years ago. I've been doing renewables for about 7 years before that. And I was watching the price of solar panels, and it came down so much, like 1/5 of the price in 5 years, that it made sense to get into the business. We did 8 systems the first year, we did 16 systems the next year, and I think we'll do about 55 or 60 systems this year.
There's so many places in the US that it just seems like it's right for, and it doesn't, Anchorage, I was like, can it work, How often do we have snow on the roof? But it's enough, it works enough to be worth it.